If I say Amber Heard might file for bankruptcy, one would say I am beyond crazy. That brings me to the real question. Is there any chance Amber Heard might be having undisclosed properties? Are they worth $8 million? Does that mean Amber's lawyers are lying? Hang on there while we unveil Amber's secret properties and real net worth. You'd be shocked to hear Amber Heard is staying in a property paying $22,500 a month. I know that celebrities have different needs and expectations than the rest of us, but even so, this is some crazy amount since a focus on Amber Heard's finances is a lot more pressing in light of her recent loss in court to Johnny Depp. She's going to appeal the verdict, but as of now, she owes her former spouse over $8 million, which her own attorney says she can't afford to pay. Amber Heard has a secret mansion. Yes, you heard it right, and while Heard's name does not appear on the deed, research turns up multiple clues that all point to one particular property, a house currently owned by a mysterious trust with clear links to Heard. The trust quietly acquired the 6-acre estate in early 2019, paying $570,000. This was roughly a year before the coronavirus pandemic, so it's an excellent bet that the property is now worth significantly more than that 2019 number. This might have doubled, and she can always choose to sell this. Even keeping aside these possibilities, one of the Reddit users has done the research, which reads, "To people saying she can't pay, she has 30 years to pay $8.35 million, which is equal to $23,194 per month. Currently, she's paying $22,000 for her mansion. Something is not adding up, and she should be making those payments toward JD already, right? Or is her estate more critical than paying her legal obligations? Also, this leaves $1,194 to be paid, which she can easily make at McDonald's. No biggie." So when Elaine Bredehoff said that Amber Heard would be unable to pay the money awarded to Depp by the jury, it was through and through a lie. That is not all. I wonder how she even managed to peel open a new seam of victimhood, claiming that she had to pay $6 million to attorneys after the divorce settlement, which had made her unable to pay her pledged $7 million to the American Civil Liberties Union. If Amber Heard cannot pay the amount, she can proceed with her plan of appealing the ruling of the Fairfax County Courthouse in Virginia. However, if she decides not to move with the appeal, they'll have to seize Heard's current and future wages until the total amount is paid to Johnny Depp. Speaking of bankruptcy, this could waive her debt of $10.35 million to Depp. As per the bankruptcy law, if her actions are further proven to be willful and malicious, then she'll be in big trouble and may not be able to get by this obligation. Amber Heard herself admitted that she's no saint. Wait till you hear how she threatened Johnny Depp if her financial demands weren't met. Heard requested exclusive use and possession of 3 downtown LA penthouses, a black Range Rover she drove, with Depp continuing to make payments toward the vehicle and home. During the trial, Heard was exposed to how she threatened to publicly serve Depp with a restraining order if he did not continue financially supporting her lifestyle after she filed for divorce. Is she even serious? Did she really expect Depp to pay all that? Through her lawyer, Heard issued a list of financial and property demands, with the Aquaman star promising to keep this matter out of the spotlight if her requests were granted. She also wanted to live rent-free in 3 Los Angeles penthouses she and her friends were staying in, all owned by Depp, and asked for her estranged husband to cover $125,000 of her legal and accounting fees. By now, you must have figured to what extent Heard can go for money. No wonder Amber's lawyers are lying about how Heard cannot pay the amount. Her once perfume deals and lead roles can now only be seen from the rearview mirror of her career, watching as they bounce down the Amber highway. A ton of money goes down with the memories of her toxic marriage to Johnny Depp. Millions of dollars were pledged but never donated. No matter how hard she tried to crank the dry-eyed tears out in the witness box, they threatened but never fell. The only real tears came on when the verdicts were read out and a new reality dawned. Guess why? She had to pay $8 million to Johnny, which might have messed up her nerves. And even then, despite everything, it was hard not to feel sorry for her. We've all learned an awful lot about Johnny Depp and Amber Heard in this so-called the civil trial of the century. What future awaits the Amber who now stands before the world exposed as an abuser, teller of lies, a cleaver of fingertips, and whatnot is unpredictable. So let's wait and see if she actually pays up this amount. Just to add, I'll bet my 5 cents against this. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.